What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a professional LinkedIn profile photo using AI. So let's say you don't have a formal or professional photo to use as your profile picture on LinkedIn. In this video I'll show you how to create one. So we want to go ahead to remaker.ai, which has lots of AI tools. However, the one we are going to use is called the AI headshot generator. You'll find it on the homepage. Click on it. And here you'll find many templates or many models to choose from. Of course, once you upload your image, your face will be swapped with the one on the template. So I'll choose man, and let's choose this one, the city park. It looks good and suitable for LinkedIn. Or this one, the blue, or you can choose any other template. Or alternatively, you can add your own template if you have another photo or another person in like a suit or in a style that you want. But in this video, I'll choose the template and I'll stick with the city park one. Here, I want to upload my image, and you can upload up to 4 images to get a more precise result. So I'm going to upload an image here of a person, and here it is. The image is now uploaded. And now just go ahead to the bottom and click on generate. And it'll take some time here and it'll generate your professional photo. So let's wait for it to generate and I'll show you the result once it's done. And as you can see, 2 versions of your photo are being generated, and here they are. So you have 2 versions, and the face, I should say, looks pretty identical to the one that I uploaded. So a pretty professional result. You can go ahead and select the one you like and download it, or select another model if you are not satisfied with the results.